Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to download games from Steam mobile app. Take note, using a high-end phone can give you better performance once you have it. First is to open the Google Chrome on your mobile phone, then go to GameNative.app, tap on download, then tap download anyway. By the way, this is safe. On Chrome, open the download section. Tap on the downloaded file. Choose the app where you want to open it. Tap on it, then hit Always. On the pop-up menu, tap Settings. Toggle on Allow from the source. Go back to Chrome's Downloads and tap the file again. Tap Install. On the pop-up again, tap More Details. Then tap Install anyway. Complete the purchase option if required, then verify with your thumb code. Once done, tap Open. Log in with your Steam credentials. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. Tap Login. Now open your Steam app on Android. Tap the search bar. Select Advanced Search. Tap on Filters. Swipe the price slider to the left until it shows free. Scroll down and tap Show Results. Browse and file low-end free games. Tap on a game you like. Then tap Add to Library. Tap OK to confirm. Return to Game Native. Open the game you just added by tapping Open. Tap Install. Hit Allow, then tap Proceed to confirm. Once installed, tap Play. The game will load in landscape orientation with an on-screen controller overlay. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.